The Shire Cistern high level. I'm going to be unpacking it, showing you all the components inside, what it comes with, and later on we're going to show the assembly, how we assemble all these components. Okay, I'm going to put the lid aside. This is a lid, and then we've got the 90-degree flash pipe. We've got our inlet valve, which is the easy clean. It comes with the ball. And our siphon. Our siphon is our flushing valve. It comes with the remote for flushing. This is a mounting bracket, a back bracket for the remote. And these are the Shire's mounting brackets. All of these I'm going to be showing you. We've got our chain assembly. It's got a tension adjuster and a T-bar. We're going to make this whole assembly and show you how this is properly assembled. We've got our 2 screws. These are our lid screws to secure the lid. Once everything is assembled, I'm going to put them with the lid. Then we've got our Shire badge. Okay. And then we've got our actual cistern that we're going to be putting all these components inside. The Shire's Duranite is made out of rubber. It's a heavy duty rubber. What we're going to start with, with our inlet valve. Our inlet valve comes with the red ball. The red ball, you simply secure it with it's got the self-tapping threads at the end of the arm. You just screw it in, turning it clockwise. Like that. Once that is assembled, you can put it aside, and then we can take our siphon flushing valve. It's got 2 nuts, a cap nut. The cap nut is for securing the flush pipe on the flushing mechanism, and the back nut is for securing the flush valve on the cistern body. So we're gonna put the cistern, we're gonna put our flush valve into the cistern body first. Okay, let me get an angle there, like so. It goes in like so, and then we secure it at the back with our back nut. Our back nut, you can use the tools that we can use. You can use your water pump pliers. I'm going to introduce the tools now that we're going to use. Just put it in like that. Clockwise. Quickly grab my tools. Okay, this is a water pump plier. I'm going to use it to tighten that valve, the flush valve. Okay, you hand tighten it like that. Okay, now put in the easy clean side inlet valve. We're going to put our inlet valve. Our inlet valve, we can actually put our inlet valve from the left or from the right, depending on which supply of water, where you're getting your supply of water. Remove the securing nut like so. gonna secure it with the nut. We're gonna put the washer on, and the washer must go on the inside, as you see here. And then to secure it with the 1/2 inch back nut. Okay. Securing. With the nut secured and tightened, we can now just add some tension here, just some torque it with the water pump plier. Just 2 turns will be enough. With everything secured, this is what your cistern is going to look like. You must make sure that the ball is able to move freely up and down, because this is a floating ball that's activating the opening and closing. When the water goes down into the cistern, the ball goes down, and when it goes down, it opens the inlet valve. The inlet valve is pushing in the water from the main and filling the cistern. Once the cistern is filling, the ball will slowly float, move up. Once it reaches the water level where it's supposed to be, this is a 9-liter cistern, it's going to shut off and the water is going to stay shut. I'm going to show you how to adjust the water level as well. The water level, you simply adjust it by just bending the arm. The arm is made out of aluminium, it's easy to bend. Every time when you bend this arm, you must use a water pump plier just to clamp it against the horseshoe so that you don't break the arm, and support it over there, and you bend it like so. And you put it in the required water level. I will show you that as well again on a later stage. Now with the valve secured in the cistern, we're gonna put our badge, our Shire badge, to close the hole. Because with this one, because it's a duct, it uses a button. We don't use the flushing handle hole. We just close it with our Shire badge, which acts as a cistern stopper. Okay. Now with everything put in, we have put in our Shire badge on the front. We have put in the additional Shire badge on the side, which acts as a cistern stopper for the holes that we're not going to be using for this assembly. And now what's left now, we're going to put our bridge bracket. This is our bridge bracket. This is our M&X handle. This is the handle that's going to be responsible to activate the flush on the flushing mechanism on the inside. It connects with the C-link. It's got a C-link inside. So we're going to connect this all together, and this is going to be the final part of all the cistern connections. Then we're going to slide the bridge bracket on the grooves here on the side like so. Make sure that is all the way in, and then we're going to put our lever arm, our flushing lever arm, on the bridge bracket. It goes inside the bridge bracket like so. Then you test that, make sure that it's able to activate the flash as you go on the side. Then the chain connection is going to